This is your feeder and stocker report for Tuesday, August 19th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta, Monday, steers 900 plus, 429 to 441, 8 to 900, 455 to 480, 7 to 800, 475 to 510, 6 to 700, 520 to 595, 5 to 600, 582 to 680, 4 to 500, 705 to 742, heifers 900 plus, 377 to 405, 8 to 900, 425 to 450, 7 to 800, 455 to 499, 6 to 700, 495 to 510, 5 to 600, 515 to 570, 4 to 500, 637 to 655, 3 to 400, 710. On a light test of the market, yesterday in Central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded up to $4,550 per pair. Alberta direct cattle sales on Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Last week, on a cash-to-cash basis, Alberta Fed prices are at a $35 discount against the U.S. market. Alberta Fed prices are also at a discount to the Ontario market. Canfax released its monthly trends report the other day. Steers and heifer calves placed in November and sold on the cash market in August, on average, Fed margins are $480 per head positive. Over the past 30 years, this is the second largest margin for the feedlot industry. The only year that was larger was back in 2014. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows, $2.16 to $2.24, D3 cows, $2 to $2.15. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $2.30 to $2.52. In the U.S., there was no new trade to report. Packer interest remains light, and significant trade will be delayed till the second half of the week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $2.48 in the north and $2.38 in the south. Smaller show list volumes have been reported in Nebraska and Colorado. Last week's cattle slaughter was estimated at 530,000 head. That is the smallest non-holiday slaughter volume since COVID. One of the big stories for 2025 is how strong beef demand has been. According to the USDA, the all-fresh beef retail prices for the month of July was reported at $8.90 per pound, a new record high. Beef retail prices are 5% higher than last year. National boner cows averaged $13.81 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at $72.30, down 19. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 236.55, down 17. October 231.10, down 7. December 233.22, down 5. This is Clare Starosta with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.